Good morning, student. Today we are going to start solve one more question on same topic, adjustment of capital on the basis of new partner. Last class we had see one question for this topic. Today I am going to start one more question. By that you are easy to understand how to solve of this type of question when in question they are given adjust the old partner capital on the basis of new partner. Okay beta? Now today I am going to take question number 87. Question number 87, just see the question. A and B are a partner, his profit sharing ratio 3:2 and balance sheet is given, and then C will come in the business 2/9 profit and 50,000 of his share of capital and goodwill for both. For the capital and goodwill for both he is given only 50,000. Okay beta? And then goodwill, for the goodwill you are going to calculate the goodwill 2.5 year purchase of the average profit of last 4 year, super profit of last 4 year, and last 4 year profit is given and normal profit is given. Okay, so first we are going to start with the question. Question is A and B are partner. Okay beta, A and B are partner is there and his ratio is 3:2. Okay, C admit for 2.9. Okay, he come with the total cash of 50,000 in this goodwill and capital both. Okay beta, and for the calculation of goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year, and SP is equal to beta, SP is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So now we are going for the average profit, and the average profit, total profit is 40,000, 55,000, 65,000. 40,000, 55,000, 65,000. Okay beta? Then divide by 4. Then what amount is coming beta? 1 lakh. It's a 2 lakh total. Divide by 4, 50,000. Okay, 2 lakh divide by 4, 50,000. Clear? Then 40, 80, 1,30,000, 1,35,000, 65, 2 lakh, 50,000. Then it's a AP, so SP is equal to 50,000 minus 14,000. Okay, then 36,000 is the goodwill, is the SP, and then goodwill is equal to 36,000 into 2.5. Actually 2.5 is there, it means 2.5. It means 36 is to 2.5. Then what amount is coming? 36 into 2, 72, and 18. It means 1 lakh. Okay, goodwill is 1 lakh, and then share of C goodwill 32, 6, 72 and 18. Sorry, 90,000. Goodwill is 90,000 beta. Then share of C goodwill 90,000 into 2/9. It means goodwill is 20,000. Okay beta? Up to this is clear? How to calculate the goodwill? 20,000. Then entry cash account debit to C goodwill to C capital. Goodwill 20,000. Then capital is only 30,000 because total cash is 50,000. Then this goodwill will distribute goodwill 20,000 distribute in to A capital and to B capital. Okay, and new profit sharing ratio is given in this question 4:3:2. 4:3:2. Okay, 4:3:2. Then we are going to calculate the what? Sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, that is coming 7:3. Okay, sacrificing ratio 7:3. Divide this amount 7:3, it means 14,000 and 6,000. Okay, up to this is clear. Then we are going to make the revaluation account beta. After this we are going to make the revaluation account. Just see all adjustment. Outside half the amount goodwill is withdrawn. One more entry is there. Just make this side goodwill entry better. Half of the amount they are going to withdraw. It means A capital, B capital, debit to cash 7,000, 3,000 and total amount is 10,000. Okay beta, this is one first entry, second entry, and this is the third entry. Okay, now we are going for the next, and next is the 15% of general reserve we are taking as a bad debts. No problem about that. Next, outstanding salary is increased to 16,000. Old outstanding salary is 4,000. Now new is 16,000. It means increase loss. That side outstanding salary 12,000, because 4,000 old, new is 16,000. It means 12,000 increase. Then next, stock is overvalued by 25%. Beta, just see, stock overvalued. Stock is overvalued by, and stock value is 40,000. It means everything in whole 100% and 25 extra, that is stock 40,000. Okay beta, 100%. We will learn about the things, everything in whole 100%. 25% extra overvalued. It means 125 is 40,000. Then 25 to 40,000 into 25 upon 125, 8,000. Okay beta, it means 8,000 extra in stock. We are going to less that. Less is loss. Loss means which side? Debit side. Okay beta. Next, building is undervalued by 25%. Building value beta, just see the building value. Building value is 75,000. Okay, it's a 20% less value. 100% is whole, 25 less, it means 75. It means 75% is 75,000. Then 25%. 25 into 7,500 upon 75. It means 25,000. Okay beta. So now increase by building 25,000. Okay, next, trademark is to be written off by 50%. Trademark value is 8,000. 50% written off means loss 4,000. Next is this side 25,000. 25,000. 1,000 is what? Profit. To profit 1,000. A and B capital 3:2. It means 600 and 400. Okay beta, up to this is clear? Up to this is clear or not? Just tell me. Up to this is clear na beta? Now I am going to rub the board, and then we are going for the capital account. Okay, all thing is clear? Now after this we are going to make the capital account, and in that capital account we are going to set or adjust the capital of new old partner on the basis of new partner. Okay, then balance sheet. Okay, we are going to make the capital account and then we are going for the balance sheet. Okay, first go for the capital account. Three partner is there. Capital account A, B and C. A, B and C. First, buy balance BD. Just see his capital. What is the capital? 50,000 and 30,000. 50,000 and 30,000. 50,000 and 30,000. Then buy, first entry buy cash 30,000. Then buy goodwill 14,000 and 6,000. Two cash. I am just taking the all entry data that was written in the board. Then 7,000 and 3,000. Profit by revaluation 600 and 400. Okay, 3 entry 1 revaluation profit. Okay, now going for the next. Any type of reserve or surplus is given or not? That is the 87. In general reserve is given. Okay, general reserve 10,000. Okay beta, and that 10,000 we are going to transfer in a general reserve. 10,000 and 1,500 less from 10,000, because that value we are taking for the provision of bad debts. So then by journal reserve, total amount is 8,500. Divide in 3:2. 3:2 na beta. Ratio is what beta? 3:2. 3:2. 85,000 into 3/5. 85,000 into 2/5. Okay. One time, and then 7 times. So 51,000 and 34,000 beta. Okay, 51,000 and 34,000. Okay, up to this is clear, no problem about that. Then take the balance. Then we are going to calculate the capital. 30,000, 36,000, 39,000, 800, 50,000, 60,000, 65,000, 69,000, 700, 69,700, 39,800 and 30,000. Take the balance. 30,000. This 2 balance CD 3,000, 36,800. Okay beta, and then 762, 700. Take this balance on next line. Then we are going to adjust the capital. It's a buy balance BD 62,700, 36,800 and 30,000. Okay, now we are going to calculate exact value on the basis of ratio. Okay, the new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2. New profit sharing ratio is 4:3:2, and for 2 is coming with the 30,000. So then 3 3 into 30,000 upon 2, it means 45,000. 4 into 30,000 upon 2, it means 60,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Cut by this 15, 3, 45, 15, 4, 60,000. Then put here first 2 balance CD, that will go on the balance sheet. 60,000, 45,000 and 30,000. 30,000, 45, 60. 30,000 and 30,000 equal. No problem about that. And then see, this side 45,000 is more than 45,000 here and here again. 45,000. It means 8,000. Sorry, 200. Okay, 200, 1, 7 and 8. It's a by cash. Here 60,000, it's 62. More this, then 62,700. It means 2,700, that is 2 cash. Okay, beta? Now it's clear how to calculate the new capital. Clear or not? Clear, beta? How to calculate the new capital? For the ratio of 2 is come with the 30,000. Okay? Then 3, 45 and 4, 60,000. We are going to put here that amount. And then we are going to checking the both side. Which side is more is opposite side. We are taking the balance or difference amount. And that difference amount is called cash. Okay? This side it's the 45,000. This side 36,800. So this side is more, the 45,000 putting this side, and then after the putting of this 45,000, we are taking 8,200 is balance, that is the cash. That side is more, 62,700. Put on this side 62,700. That side is more, difference 2,700. That is 2 cash. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear or not? It's clear or not? Now I'm trying to make the balance sheet downside. So rough this. I think we'll clear these things. Okay, go for the balance sheet. Just try to make the balance sheet in this less space. Okay, I'm going to make some more space for that. So then for that, changing this amount upside, 69,700, 39,800 and 30,000. Okay. 69,700, 39,800 and 30,000. Okay, up to this is clear. It means no need of this column. Then we are putting this amount upside, 62,700, 36,800 and 30,000. Okay. Then again see, then you will understand. Again I am going to take the balance. Don't worry, no problem about that. For the taking this balance, don't worry. I am taking again. Then you will understand. Okay, this side balance is coming. Okay, that balance is coming 60,000, 45,000 and 30,000. That is to balance CD. This 30 and 30 both equal, no need to take the difference amount. this side 38,600 but 45, then 45 this side, and then again 45, 8,200. That is, it's a buy balance BD and buy cash. This amount 62,700 to 700 to cash 62,700. Okay, beta. Up to this is clear again. Now I am going to make the balance sheet. For the balance sheet, I am going to take this space. Okay, first capital A, B and C 60,000, 45,000 and beta 30,000. Okay, clear? 60,000, 45,000 and 30,000. Total amount is 1,35,000. Clear? Then creditor. For the creditor, nothing is given, I think. Nothing special is given for the creditor, beta. Creditor amount no change, and creditor amount is 63,000. Okay, 63,000. Creditor 63,000, and then outstanding salary 16,000. Okay, nothing else. Clear? Go for the this side. First cash. It's very important. And cash is 5,000. Okay. Cash is 5,000 plus 8,200 plus 50,000 by the first entry. Okay. Less 10,000. This and this. And then less 2,700. Okay, beta? Clear? 50, 55,000, 63,200. Less 10, 270. 12,000, 63,200 less 10 to 7 000 005 1275 04 40,500. Let's see. 10 less 14, 40, 45, 45 and 8, 53,200. 53 divided by less 2, 53,200. Okay. So 53,200 is means 40,500. Okay. Go for the next. Stock. Stock is 32,000. Okay. Then building 1 lakh because 75,000 old plus 25,000 here 40,000 old less 8,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Then trademark and debtors. Trademarks only 4,000. Okay, 8,000 is 4,000. Then debtors 20,000. 20, I think. No, sorry, 30,000. 30,000 less 1,500. It means 28,500. Okay, beta? Now going to total. Upside 0, 0, 0, 5, 8, 4, 1, 10, 1 and 2. 2,14,000. Just see the answer. It's coming or not? Balance sheet is coming. 2,14,000 this side. Now we are going for the this side. 0, 0, 0. Okay. 1. Okay, 1 lakh, 1,40,000, 1,70,000, 1,90,000, 2 lakh, and 2,04,000, 2,05,000. Something is there that we are missing. Just see again the question. Again see the question, beta. Here check it again. 50,000, 40,000, 48, 53. It's a 50,500. Okay. It's a 55 and 8. 63, 200, and 10 to 7, 12, 7 means 0, 0, 5, 0 and 5. 50,500. Okay, beta. 4, 1,000 old provision, beta. Old provision is 1,015 days. Total is 2,500. It means 27,500. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1, 7 to 9, 1, 10, 4. 1 is remain. 3 and 2. 5, 5, 10. 10 and 1. 11, 1, 2 and 2. 1, 1, 2. 1,14,000. Okay? Clear? Clear it? On this way we are going to solve the question. Clear? How to calculate the capital and then going to make the balance sheet. Okay, beta? Okay. Thank you.